This is a recent version of Seesaw, which is an app that is easy enough for kindergarteners to use and vibrant enough for high schoolers to use. I have worked with kindergarten teachers who have used this with their students, and I've also worked with high school teachers, especially in world language, because it is so vibrant in the record mode. So these are some ways that students can post their work. First, they can take a photo of their work if they did it on paper and pencil, which we don't want to discourage. They can draw digitally using the drawing tools. They can run a video if they want to do an explanation of something, or if they actually want to videotape somebody else. They can share a link to something like Google. They can take notes on their own. And they can also upload files that are on their device. So I'm going to click on upload so that we can try to see what types of files they allow. So we've got pictures, that's what the JPEG and the PNG files are, PDFs, and also videos that are in MP4s, MOVs, and WebM files. They can also select directly from their Google Drive, which is super, super convenient. And if I click on that, it's going to ask me to log into my Google Drive, and then I can just pull directly from it. So it has a nice connection with Google Drive. And I'm going to back out of here, and I'm going to hit delete and start over. Yes. Okay. So these are the ways that you can post to Seesaw, and many teachers are using Seesaw as a portfolio. So teachers can push out work through Seesaw, but if you're already in Google Classroom or another LMS, you might want to just use Seesaw for the portfolio options.